Hello guys, my name is Mohit and today's topic is a string in a Java. String builder and string buffer in a Java. So discussing about today's topic, we will discuss about string in a Java. String in a Java are objects that are backed internally by char. Since an array immutable cannot grow, strings are immutable as well. The whenever a change to the string made, entirely new string is created. The how we made the string by using literal method, we can declare the string as a string is equal to variable is equal to in double quoted Greeks and semicolon. The how the memory is located to the string. Whenever a string object is created as a literal, the object will be created to the string constant pool. This object will be created in a object will be created in a string constant pool. String constant pool, the JVM. This allows JVM to optimize the initialization of a string literal. For example, string str is equal to in double quoted Greeks. The string can also declare using new keyword that is dynamically allocated. In this case, strings are dynamically allotted allotted. They are assigned a new memory location in a heap. This string will not be added to the string constant pool, that is SCP. If we want to store the string in the string constant pool, then we will need internet. It prefers the string literals as it allows the JVM to optimize the memory location. Then interfaces and classes in a strings in a Java. First one is a char buffer. Then what is a char buffer? This class implements the character sequence interface. This class is used to allow character buffers to be used in a place of character sequences. An example of a such usage is a regular expression package java.util.regex. Then string is a sequence of a characters in a Java. Object of a string are immutable, which means a constant cannot be changed once created. Creating a string, there are two ways to creating string. First one is a string literal and second one using new keyword. Uh, then what is a string buffer? The string buffer is a peer class of a string that provides much of functionality of a string. The string represent fixed length immutable character sequence, while string buffer represent growable and returnable character sequences. The syntax of string buffer is equal to as new string buffer in parentheses Greek whatever we want to learn, that is ABC. Then next one is string builder. Sorry, the string builder is a represents a Java mutable string of a character. Since a string class in a Java creates immutable sequence of a character, the string builder class provides an alternate to string class as it create a mutable sequence of a character. Then how we declare the string builder? String builder is equal to string is equal to new string builder parenthesis semicolon string append in double quoted anything whatever you want to write, that is ABC, Mohit, or Hepshine, etc. String tokenizer class in a Java used to break the string into tokens. A string tokenizer object internally maintain a current position within a string to be tokenized. The sum operation advance this current position pass characters process a token. Then next one is string joiner. How the string joiner is work? String joiner is a class in a java.until package which is used to construct sequence of a character strings separated by delimiter and optionally starting with a supplied prefix and ending with a supplied suffix. Through this can also be the help of the string builder class append delimiter after each string joiner provides an easy way to do that much write code. The here JVM checks string constant pool. If string does not exist, then string instance is created and placed in a pool. If a string exists, it will created a new object. Rather, it will return the interface to the same instance. The cache string, the cache which stores this string instance is known as string constant pool or string pool. In earlier version of a Java or up to JDK 6, string pool was located in permanent generation space. But in JDK 7, it moved to the main heap area. Why string pool move from permanent generation to normal heap area? The permanent generation space is limited. The default size is a 64 MB. It was a problem with the creating and storing too many string objects in frame space. That why string pool was moved to larger heap area to make Java more memory efficient. To concept of a string literal is used by use of new keyword. The JVM will create a new string object in a normal heap area even if the same string object present in a string pool. All the object in Java stored in a heap. The reference variable is object is stack area, or they can be contain other objects which puts in a heap area. Then we will discuss what is the difference of string buffer. What is the difference of string buffers? Main difference of string buffer and string builder is in we have already talked about strings on a lot of time. A programmer who have just begin programming, uh, the Java provide the three related class to the string. First one is a string, then string buffer and string builder. We uh, we all the famous line sysout, that is system dot out dot println. Here we put our string that all the Java programmer used to print a string on the console. Many programmer who begin the program in a Java don't know that the string is immutable. Every time you perform a change in a string, it result a new string object creation. Initially, the class that was used transform the string was string buffer, but after this, Java introduced a new class, string builder. In today's topic, firstly we learn about each these classes, and then we will learn this what is the difference between string builder and string buffer. Uh, what is a string buffer class in a Java? String buffer class was firstly introduced in Java 0.1 version, and the principal use of a class that transfer the to change the immutable string into mutable string. But after the introducing class using a multiple threads, many problem are arises. This class contains public method which are synchronized. The public method that cannot be used at the same time or simultaneously in different threads is known as a synchronized method. The only powerful disadvantage of string buffer class is synchronized method. But when use a string buffer class, we can ensure the thread safety in our system. Then what is the string builder class? The Java string builder class eliminates the string only because of multi-threading purpose. The string builder class was introduced in Java 1.5 version after string buffer class having additional functionality of non-synchronized method, so that the multiple threads can be allowed to use string builder object. This result in a risk of a thread safety if user runs same method at many time at many places. but the string builder class is more preferable as used as a work efficiently in multi-threading environment. There are some parameters common of a both class are and some are different. First parameter is storage area, string buffer, heap memory, and mutability yes, thread safety yes, speed is slow. But in string builder, but in a string builder, storage area is heap storage area also an heap, mutability yes, but thread safety is no, and speed is very high. String buffer class was introduced with the introduction of Java, but string builder class added in a Java at 1.5 version. The string buffer class is synchronized and contains the synchronized method like append, delete, and insert. On the other hand, string builder class is not synchronized. The string buffer class ensured the thread safety due to the presence of synchronized method, but the string builder class is not thread safe because there are no synchronized method in string builder class. If we want to perform the synchronized string operation, if we want to perform string operation in a non-multi-threaded environment, then we should use the string builder class, and we want to perform string manipulation in the multi-threaded environment, then we should use the string buffer class. String buffer class in a Java, we discuss all about string buffer class in Java and what is the difference between string buffer and string builder. So guys, thank you from this is all from my side.